Imagine this. You sit down, type a single sentence, and out comes a full cinematic video with characters, physics, and camera angles, like Hollywood, but made by AI in minutes. That's Sora 2. But here's the real question. Is Sora 2 just hype, or is it truly the game changer people are calling the future of filmmaking? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll run through benchmark tests, real use cases, invite codes, and even how you can access Sora 2 today. By the end, you'll know exactly if this tool belongs in your workflow or if it's still too early. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I cover the latest AI tools and how they're reshaping content creation, business, and storytelling. Today's spotlight is Sora 2, the next evolution of OpenAI's text-to-video model. This isn't just version 1.1. This is a leap forward. And people are already calling it a filmmaker in a box. So what exactly makes Sora 2 special? Here are the core features. Longer sequences. We're not stuck with 3-second clips anymore. You can generate multi-scene narratives. Physics engine. Movements now follow the rules of the real world. Gravity, reflections, natural pacing. It looks believable. Character consistency. Create a character once and they can reappear across scenes without weird glitches. Cinematic camera control. Panning, zooming, wide shots. It feels like a real director's toolkit. Smart prompt understanding. You can feed it a simple story idea and it fills in details with natural flow. Quick question for you. Which of these features would save you the most time? Drop it in the comments. I'm 99.9% sure at least one of these hits your workflow directly. Now, let's stack it up against other tools. Runway ML, great for short, artsy clips, but Sora 2 beats it in length and realism. Pika Labs, fast, fun, but limited in scene continuity. Sora 2 wins in storytelling. Synthesia, amazing for talking avatars, but cinematic storytelling, not even close. And against traditional methods, you'd need cameras, lights, actors, editors, and hours of work. Sora 2 can deliver in minutes. In speed tests, Sora 2 generated a 15-second cinematic scene in under 2 minutes. That's faster than setting up a single camera shot. This is where things get wild. Scene continuity means you can stitch together an entire short film. Consistent characters mean you can develop story arcs. Physics realism lets you do stunts without danger. And with camera control, you're basically storyboarding and directing at once. And this isn't just incremental, it's disruptive. We're talking about removing whole production steps. For indie creators, that's like being handed $1 million studio for free. So who exactly is Sora 2 for? Content creators and YouTubers. Pump out videos faster. Marketers generate product ads in hours, not weeks. Educators build explainer animations instantly. Filmmakers storyboard, prototype, or even finish projects without massive budgets. Basically, anyone who needs video but doesn't have Hollywood resources will find this tool priceless. Let's run a quick test. I prompted Sora 2 with a child runs through a neon city, camera follows from behind, then cuts to a wide drone shot. Within minutes, I had a fluid cinematic sequence. Not perfect, but better than what took hours in traditional software. Another test, a product demo of sneakers floating in space with glowing labels. Result? An ad-ready clip that could go straight to Instagram. That's why creators are buzzing. This isn't just theory, it's production ready. Okay, so how do you actually get in? Here's the breakdown. 1, join the official waitlist via OpenAI's site. That's your first step. 2, referral invites. Once someone gets access, OpenAI gives them 4 invite codes to share. 3, community drops. On Discord, Reddit, and Twitter, early users drop codes in invite share threads. Example, users reported codes like SK9H6P and A85AN6 working, though they expire quickly. Pro tip, keep the Sora 2 login page open, and when a code drops, paste it immediately. Warning, don't buy codes from shady sites. Business Insider already spotted people reselling expired codes. Stick with legit sources. Once you're in, you'll get 4 codes to share, so the network grows. So where is this heading? Right now, Sora 2 is about clips and ads, but in the future, we could see full narrative films generated in AI, interactive storytelling where you guide the movie as it plays, massive disruption in film, education, and advertising. Will Sora 2 replace entire film crews? Maybe not yet, but it's already replacing hours of production work. So there you have it, Sora 2's full review, benchmarks, invite code access, and future predictions. Would you trust AI to generate your next video? Comment below. I'm 99.9% sure some of you will say yes and others will panic. Smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI, and if you snag a working invite code, share it in the comments. You could be someone's hero today.